If you keep a lot of browser tabs open on your Android tablet, you definitely need to learn and master tab groups. It's a built-in feature that makes your life a lot easier when dealing with a lot of tabs. I'll show this in Chrome. Different browsers handle this differently, but the main idea is the same. Most people will do this: open a bunch of tabs, keep them in one big pile, and then struggle to find what they're looking for. In Chrome, you can tap this little number to view all your open tabs, and you'll see in the middle there's a little switch that allows you to view your tabs or your tab groups. When I'm in the group view, I can then tap the plus icon to create a new group. You can name your group and give it a color. This is helpful if you end up making several tab groups for different purposes. Then I'll open a tab in this group, and you'll see how it shows on my tablet with a little blue indicator, separating it from my regular tabs. When I switch to another tab, my group gets minimized behind that blue label. I can then tap the group to reveal what's in it, and I can tap and hold the blue label to open a new tab within that group. I'll go ahead and open a couple of different tabs in my group here because that's where this feature really shines. Now when I go to my tab overview, I see all my regular tabs, and then my tab group, which has all its tabs bundled together. I can tap the group to get a bigger preview of what's in it. And of course, I can quickly access any tab through here. I can then minimize the whole group from my tab bar, and if I want to, I can tap, hold, and drag the group to a different spot in my tab bar. You could think of it as a folder that helps you organize your browsing. If you wouldn't dump hundreds of random files into one folder without categorizing them, you probably don't want to do the same with your browser tabs. If I tap and hold one of my regular tabs, I can add it to an existing group, or create a new group for it. I think this feature really benefits those who always keep open a variety of different websites and regularly switch between them. You could create groups for news, entertainment, sports, tech, social media, shopping, really whatever you want to. Also, here's my favorite thing about groups. Let's say I closed all my browser tabs to start fresh, but I also don't want to manually go back and open up every tab that I regularly visit. I can go to my tab overview, find my tab group, and my tablet will remember all the tabs that I have in that group. They're here ready to be opened with a single tap. And that's how you use tab groups in Chrome. Like I said, different browsers handle this differently, but most browsers now have a similar feature. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.